As we know, everybody's talking about cloud and how things work, and are we moving over to hybrid, on-prem, off-prem, all those sorts of things. And Damon's put together a great course for IABM on this. Damon, can you just tell us a little bit about it?
Sure, thanks, Dan. Yeah, so it's just a high level kind of comprehensive overview of the cloud for quite a wide mix of people, for technologists, for creatives, and for business people. I've often noticed that people seem to think they know what the cloud is, or maybe they've got no exposure to it. So I wanted to really kind of help everyone have a shared vocabulary so they could all chat and understand and discuss it properly together.
What I think is cool about it is it's not like super deep technical. It's not super on the business side either. It's kind of in between.
Yeah, so I think technologists often think they understand the cloud, but they only understand one small part of it, perhaps like just the public cloud, while creatives might not actually understand what the cloud means at all. And then business people might sometimes have unrealistic expectations of what it's good for, what it's not so good for, and things like the costs. So by trying to approach it at a level where everyone can engage and understand it, and even some of the more technical concepts, I've used things like analogies to make it super simple to understand. I think it makes it really accessible for everyone, so everyone can have that conversation all on the same level.
Yeah, understanding the vocabulary was the key point at the beginning, but also everybody, it doesn't matter where you are in the business, you have to understand a little bit about the billing.
Definitely. So, from a business perspective, I think it's understanding where the costs are so you can kind of mitigate against things like egress costs, which is often one of the main concerns. For creatives, you're often working on a production budget. So, understanding things like that, where the costs actually are and when to, transcode or deliver a file. And then for technologists as well, there's so many different ways to deploy in the cloud. Like some could be more expensive than an on-premise setup, but if you deploy it correctly, it could be significantly cheaper. But that understanding is often lacking in when people learn about the cloud. So I was hoping to simplify that so everyone can know what the capabilities are and what the actual costs of that might be.
Great. Well, I think it's an excellent course, and I hope people watching this will certainly have a look at it. Thanks again, Damon.
Thank you.